Hey, thanks for tuning in today. We're going to give the chickies, the hens, the box, their special treat. So here's what I got. 100 crickets. Now, what made me think to do this video is the person at the pet store didn't know that crickets are fed the chickens. They didn't know that chickens like to eat crickets and grasshoppers and bugs and insects. So this is my PSA for all of you that don't know that. Now, you go to the grocery store, you buy eggs, you see where it says 100% vegetarian feed. Don't buy those eggs. In fact, don't buy any at the grocery store. You should buy them from a local grower, a farmer's market, someone that's doing it right. I don't feed corn, I don't feed soy, I do non-GMO, I do fresh produce, I do fresh crickets when there's none available, no grasshoppers. So you should always get the healthiest eggs or dark orange yolks. Very yummy. The flavor is incredible from my backyard to what you get at the organic store that's organic and what you get at the regular store that's just junk. So let's go feed the box. Let's secure the vehicle. Oh, there we go. Okay. Chickie chicks! Here, chickie chicks. Yeah, I got lots of cardboard in my backyard. This is to cover up the weeds. It's fall, everything's dead. Oh well. Hey, box. These are the chickies that know what's coming. Chickie chicks, not all of them know about the crickets. Okay, let's go inside the chickie nest area. Oh, that one wants me to mate with her. Once you feed the chickens, they think you're the rooster. And so then they're like, hey, you give us food, now we can have more babies. Come here, chickies. Come here, chickies. Chick, 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 chick. Chick, 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 chick. Look what I got for you. Let's bust this bag open. Chicky chicks. Look what I got for you. Okay, so here's the crickets. Let's go ahead and feed some. They're still falling out. Oh, here comes one running. Come get some chickie chicks. Come get some crickets. There we go. The bag is empty. Do I dare reach down there? Oh, there's more on the underside. I was gonna flip it over, they did it for me. There we go. 100 crickets done in record time. Hey, chickies. Okay. Oh, what happened? I don't know what we lost. I just turned the camera around. It was all gone. So that's it. Feed your chickens healthy. Hey, there's a neighbor's chickens over there. They're so jealous, poor little chickie chicks. Give your chickens lots of healthy protein, insects, bugs, mealworms that are alive. They need live food. Give them produce when you can. I get some from a local health food store. Instead of putting it in the garbage, they give it to people, chickens and rabbits. And also, if you can, give them non-corn, non-soy, non-GMO feed. Try and get mostly ones with seeds, and most of them have the pellets. But hey, give us a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe, click the icon to be notified, and we will see you next time.